Here,
One
look,
time press me.
here, take that.
It's literally impossible.
That back.
We just.
What if we push out the front door?
That's so.
No,
fucking...
don't go out the front. I placed an auto turret out there.
I'm gonna try to loot that guy.
That turret's gonna kill me the second I go up.
No, you can avoid it. You can avoid it. I literally got past the turret without dying.
Don't go
Without
out
even
there.
getting
Yeah,
hit.
you can go out front. If you, the
Yo,
turret.
auto the turret outside. You ready?
The turret is literally dumb.
Throw me up.
The turret is drained. Trust
What's
me,
up?
I went out there.
No, you
No,
can
it's
literally
not.
Just, you can literally just
I
avoid it.
just went outside.
No, listen. You can.
Just turn it off and turn it on.
Go.
Can someone turn off the turret up there?
Yeah, turn off the turret up there.
Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Watch out.
They broke it.
Oh, because of Canada spoiling a movie for people.
Wait,
I'm
I'm
a
gonna
fucking
quick. I'm gonna
retard.
quick
This
scope
is out of the
this kid,
group.
yeah.
I'm not playing with this kid anymore.
He's dead. He's dead.
Kill 2 rocketers. I killed 2 rocketers. Guys, I'm killing them all. I'm killing them all.
Someone pick me up.
He's got explosive.
The amount of.
Let me do this.
Pick me
Oh.
up.
Are they up there?
Someone pick
Yeah.
me up.
Evan.
Where are these guys at?
Reggie?
Down.
Oh my.
Drop the sergeant.
Kill him. Hey, get dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. There's
Yo, auto this turret. Auto this turret.
Guys, oh my god, you're so bad at the game. I killed them all. I killed them all. At our main. At our
One
main.
more on the
I'm
hill.
coming. I'm coming. Oh, there's one more. There's one more.
There's one.
On top of the hill.